Hello everyone, in this lesson I will show you ways to add effects of sun rays on a photo. I will open a file in Photoshop software. In the layer panel, I will click on the new adjustment layer button at the bottom and choose gradient. In the gradient dialog, I will choose to add a new gradient preset. Here I will choose black and white colors and select noise in gradient type. I will increase roughness to maximum. I will keep the add transparency checkbox checked and uncheck restrict colors. I will select HSB in color mode. I will move the right hand sliders for value S and value B. The barcode like lines must have more black lines instead of colored lines. I will keep clicking on the randomize button until I am satisfied with the stripe pattern. I will save this stripe pattern as rays by clicking on the new button. I have moved the gradient to the top above the trees where I can see the sun in this picture. Also, you can see that I have selected angular shape in the gradient. And also I have selected my newly created custom gradient design here. I will keep changing the angle of the gradient until it seems more like sun rays. I will now click on OK. I will choose soft light in the blend mode. I will right click on the gradient fill layer and choose convert to smart object. I will now go to the filter menu and under blur command choose Gaussian blur. I will keep adjusting the blur effects until I am satisfied with the appearance of the sun rays. I will press Ctrl plus U on the keyboard to open the hue and saturation dialog. I will keep the colorize checkbox checked. I will choose a shade of orange or yellow. I will add a layer mask in the layer pane now. Note that the background color is white and the foreground color is black in the toolbox while I select the brush tool. I will brush over my object in the picture to remove portions of the sun rays in this region. I will go to the layer menu and choose flatten image. I will now add a new layer in which I will add the effects of sunlight spots using the brush tool. I will choose a soft brush in the options bar and reduce the opacity of the brush tool. I will add some sunlight spots in certain sections of this picture.